Let's make this blouse design together. Draft your basic bodies, roll a straight line on the middle, and then roll a straight line on the middle, and then roll slanted line from the middle to the armhole, okay, on both armhole, and then spread it on your fabric this way as seen. Once you are done spreading it out on your fabric, you use your chalk to flesh it out as seen. Once you are done fleshing out, you cut it out as shown. After cutting out, you start picking each of the slanted piece together, thereby putting the blouse back together to its original position or shape. And then use your lining to turn the blouse as seen. Once you are done turning the blouse, reshaping your armhole, and voila. This is what you should have by the time you are done. Give it a very good ironing, okay? And your blouse is ready. Kindly subscribe, like, follow for more.